Time for another delicious fueling hack by Healthy for Life. We're making 2 chocolate chip cookies tonight and adding some PB2 for a peanut butter chocolate chip deliciousness. Add these ingredients to the packets. Once you've added the ingredients to the bowl, it's time to mix it up. Mix it up till it looks about this consistency. After you've split the batter into 2, put them into the containers and tap them on the countertop to even them out. Of course, we're using the air fryer oven to bake our cookies. Cook them for about 10 to 12 minutes on 350. As always, manja manja! Please check us out on Facebook, Healthy for Life Western PA. There's so many programs out there to lose weight, but this is by far the best program we've ever been a part of. So we're certified to help you on this journey to get healthy for life.